In previous class, we have learned mechanism of nucleophilic addition reactions. So, in this regard, in today's class, we are going to practice mechanism of some reactions with respect to the aldehydes and ketones. So, before going to discuss the mechanism of some reactions, we should know the reactions due to what. So, reactions due to alpha hydrogen. Reactions due to alpha hydrogens. What is the reason behind the reaction happens? It is due to alpha hydrogen atoms. So, let us know the acidity of alpha hydrogens of aldehydes and ketones. Before going to know the acidity of alpha hydrogens of aldehydes and ketones, which is alpha hydrogen? So, carbon attached to or next to the carbonyl carbon atom of aldehydes or ketones is known as alpha carbon atoms. So, hydrogens are attached to the that alpha carbon atoms is known as alpha hydrogen atoms. So, let us know the acidity of alpha hydrogen atoms. The aldehydes and ketones undergoes a number of reactions due to the acidity nature of alpha hydrogens. So, this acidity of alpha hydrogen atoms of carbonyl compounds, it is due to the strong electronic withdrawing group effect of carbonyl group and the resonance stabilization of the conjugate base. So, acidity, it is due to the strong electron withdrawing effect of the carbonyl group and the resonance stabilization of the conjugate base. So, let us discuss the aldol condensation reactions. Firstly, we are going to discuss the mechanism of aldol condensation reactions. So, in this, what is the reaction? So, aldehydes and ketones having at least one alpha hydrogen. So, these aldehydes and ketones having at least one hydrogen atoms undergo a reaction in the presence of dilute alkali as catalyst to form beta hydroxy aldehydes, that is aldols, or beta hydroxy ketones, that is ketones. This is known as aldol reaction. This is known as aldol reaction. So, the name aldol is derived from the names of the two functional groups, that is aldehyde and alcohol present in the product. So, the aldol readily lost water to give alpha and beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, which are aldol condensation products, and this reaction is called aldol condensation reaction. So, when a mixture of two different aldehydes, each possessing an alpha hydrogen, is treated with a base 4 different aldol products are formed. Any aldol condensation takes place with aldehydes having at least one alpha hydrogen, but not at all with those having no alpha hydrogens. So when you come to the ketones, ketones containing alpha hydrogen also undergoes aldol condensation to a smaller extent than do aldehydes. So this presumably as a consequence of steric hindrance to the carbonyl addition. So why it is smaller extent to than do aldehydes? So it is because of the steric hindrance, the consequence of steric hindrance to the carbonyl addition. So aldol condensation is not confined to aldehydes alone, but can also take place between an aldehyde and ketones. So this reaction is known as cross aldol condensation reaction. Therefore, aldehyde and acetone condense in the presence of potassium cyanide to form 4-hydroxy-pentane 2-one. 4-hydroxy-pentane 2-one. This is the example for cross aldol condensation reaction. Let us know the mechanism. So what is the mechanism behind this aldol condensation reaction? We should know the mechanism. So in this mechanism what happened is the base ionizes to form hydroxyl ion. The base ionizes to form hydroxyl ion, which removes a proton from alpha carbon, so forming a negatively charged residue or carbon anion. This is the carbon anion. So the nucleophilic attack of carbon anion on carbon result in forming of anion which picks up a proton from water. This anion picks up a proton from water molecule. Finally, it forms the aldol. So this aldol easily get dehydrated on warming with dilute acids to form alpha beta unsaturated compound. This is the mechanism behind the aldol condensation reaction. You should know that. Next, we are going to discuss the benzene condensation reaction. So, this benzene condensation reaction, here the self condensation of aromatic aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen in the presence of cyanide ions as a catalyst to alpha hydroxy ketones. So here self condensation takes place. In the presence of KCN, that means potassium cyanide. It produces the alpha hydroxy ketones. So what is the mechanism behind this benzene condensation reaction is, so benzene belongs to a class of compound called acyl ions. So this reaction is not successful with aliphatic aldehydes. So benzaldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen atom is not capable of giving aldol condensation. For example, benzaldehyde condenses in the presence of KCN, that means potassium cyanide, as a base to yield benzoin. To yield benzoin. So in this mechanism, what happened is, since there is no alpha hydrogen atoms in aromatic aldehydes, it directs the formation of carbon anion. It directs the formation of carbon anion. Is not possible. It directs the formation of carbon anion is not possible. So therefore, here cyanide ion attacks the carbonyl group with the simultaneous shifting of electrons to oxygen. So this cyanide group with its electron withdrawing nature makes the aldehydic hydrogen more acidic, and the hydrogen then shifted from carbon to oxygen, carbon anion is formed. Carbon anion is formed. How the carbon anion is formed? So the cyanide group with its electron withdrawing nature makes aldehydic hydrogen is more acidic. So then this hydrogen then shifted towards the carbon to oxygen. Therefore the carbon anion is formed. So this carbon anion is stabilized by both benzene. This carbon anion is stabilized by both benzene ring and the cyanide group In the next step, after the first step, the carbon anion attacks another aldehyde carbonyl to form the link between the two molecules. So this carbon anion attacks the another aldehyde carbonyl to form the link between the two molecules, and the addition product alkoxide is obtained. The addition product alkoxide is obtained. Finally, protonation of alkoxide ion takes place, and cyanide ion departs from alkoxide ion. The required benzoin is obtained. The required benzoin is obtained. This is the mechanism behind the benzene condensation reaction. So let us know the Claisen-Smith condensation. Claisen-Smith condensation reaction. So in a Claisen-Smith condensation reaction, the condensation of an aromatic aldehyde without alpha hydrogen with an aliphatic aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogen in the presence of strong base, that may be hydroxide or alkoxide. So from this reaction, hydroxy derivatives are obtained. Hydroxy derivatives are obtained. So these hydroxy derivatives formed loses a water molecule to yield alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketones is known as Claisen-Smith condensation reactions. This is about the reaction of Claisen-Smith condensation reaction. When you come to know the mechanism for Claisen-Smith reaction, in this mechanism what happened is the mechanism. So this mechanism is similar to aldol condensation reaction. So in the first step, what happened? The enolate ion or carbon ion is generated from aliphatic aldehydes or ketones by the removal of alpha hydrogen in the presence of strong base. As I said, it may be hydroxide or alkoxide. So after that, in the second step, what happened is the aromatic carbonyl compound having no alpha hydrogen atoms attacked by enolate or carbon anion or nucleophile to form the alkoxide ion. To form the alkoxide ion. So in the second step, the alkoxide ion is obtained. In the next step, the beta hydroxy compounds, that is cross aldol product, is obtained by the removal of a proton from the alkoxide ion and attaches itself to form the beta hydroxy compounds or cross aldol product. Finally, this cross aldol product dehydrated by the removal of alpha hydrogen by the base followed by the removal of hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. So this is the mechanism behind this Claisen-Smith reaction. So in today's class we are discussed some reactions with mechanisms. I think it is more than enough for these reactions. Some more reactions we'll see in next class. Thank you one and all. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.